Hello, this is Scotty. Welcome back to Groovy Guy. Today we're diving into a tech phenomenon that's sweeping the globe, AI chatbots. These nifty programs are popping up everywhere, guiding us through customer support, aiding in online shopping, and even helping us book our next vacation. These chatbots are not just confined to tech giants anymore. They're becoming a common feature in every industry, from healthcare to entertainment. Traditionally, creating a chatbot required a mastery of coding and artificial intelligence, but not anymore. The rise of no-code chatbot builders has democratized this technology, making it accessible to everyone. So whether you're a business owner looking to streamline customer service, an entrepreneur seeking to automate tasks, or just a tech enthusiast wanting to ride the AI wave, these tools are for you. No advanced coding, no AI knowledge, just your creativity and a dash of tech savviness. I'm going to walk you through 4 of the best no-code chatbot builders out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Groovy Guy for more future tech tutorials. Catch you later, Scotty. First up, we have MobileMonkey, a Facebook-based platform perfect for creating messenger chatbots. This innovative platform is not just restricted to Facebook Messenger. It also supports WhatsApp and SMS, expanding your avenues for customer interaction. With its user-friendly interface, it presents a collection of drag-and-drop templates, making the chatbot creation process a breeze. But the fun doesn't stop there. MobileMonkey integrates smoothly with a host of third-party apps and services. Whether you're looking to incorporate customer relationship management systems, email marketing tools, or even e-commerce platforms, MobileMonkey has got you covered. Now here's the kicker. You don't have to be a tech wizard to get started. The platform is designed so that even novices can build their own intelligent chatbot. Picture this. You could build a basic pizza delivery bot on MobileMonkey in less than an hour. Yes, you heard that right, under an hour. Now how cool is that? Cool. If you're looking to create chatbots for your website, then Landbot is the tool for you. Landbot is a fantastic platform that offers the perfect blend of functionality and ease of use. It's not just about creating chatbots, it's about creating chatbots that can engage visitors like a real human would. Landbot enables you to customize your chatbots visually, making them blend seamlessly with your website's aesthetics. This ensures that the chatbot doesn't feel out of place, but rather an integral part of your user's journey. Moreover, Landbot doesn't just stop at the visual aspects. It provides you with robust analytics, giving you insights into your chatbot's performance and user interactions. This data is invaluable in making tweaks and improvements to enhance the user experience further. What's even better? Embedding the chatbot into your site pages is a straightforward process with Landbot. This means you can have a fully functional, intelligent chatbot up and running in no time. Landbot makes creating chatbots that sound like real people a breeze. Moving on to voice assistant chatbots, Chatmatic is a standout in this field. This platform has a unique edge with built-in speech recognition and text-to-speech capabilities. What does that mean for you? Well, it means your chatbot can handle vocal interactions effortlessly. Imagine your customers having a conversation with your chatbot as if they were speaking to a real person. The chatbot can respond verbally, adding a personal touch to the interaction. But that's not all. If your customer prefers reading responses, Chatmatic can accommodate that too, with on-screen messages. This platform is versatile enough to be deployed on devices like Alexa or Google Home, expanding the ways you can reach and engage with your audience. And let's talk about pricing. The first 500 subscribers are free, and from there it jumps to $97 per month for up to 25,000 subscribers. With Chatmatic, your chatbot can interact verbally or with on-screen messages, providing a versatile user experience. Last but not least, we have ManyChat and BotBuilders. ManyChat is a free-to-start platform that offers compatibility with Messenger, SMS, Instagram, and email. What sets it apart are its integration capabilities, with direct integrations like PayPal or Stripe for in-bot payments and Google Sheets for data logging. It also connects with Zapier, opening doors to over 1,500 apps. The cost can rise as you gain subscribers, but if it drives a good return on investment, that's a price worth paying. On the other hand, BotBuilders takes things up a notch. Not only can you build AI-powered chatbots and integrate them with a myriad of platforms, but their attention to detail and application suggestions and customer service is commendable. They provide engaging, manually written templates and even trained a version of ChatGPT to keep their growth steady. These tools are not just about creating chatbots, they're about enhancing customer engagement and driving business growth. So, there you have it. 4 fantastic no-code chatbot builders that can transform your business. MobileMonkey with its user-friendly templates, Landbot with its awesome visual customization, Chatmatic for its vocal interactions, and ManyChat with its myriad integrations. Not to forget BotBuilders, the cherry on top, for its exceptional customer service and engaging applications. The right choice depends on your specific needs. Now it's your turn to check out these chatbot builders and find the one that suits your needs. The links are in the description. Until next time, happy bot building.